Hey guys, welcome back. So we're gonna focus on the UX UI funnel, so the designing part. So one of the things that I did wrong, what couple of streams, is focusing on what is not important, right? So, oh, I cannot double open this. Let me see. Can I double open this? Oh, that's really interesting. Maybe I can do it here. Okay, that sucks. Give me a second. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna focus on the design of stuff. So it's gonna be very boring, very atrocious. So let's go to new design file. What is this? Collapse sheet, dev sheet, full sheet. 3 pages per Figma design file. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna call this sales funnel. Whatever. Sales funnel. It doesn't matter. The spelling doesn't matter. I'm gonna let me see if I can select everything. Copy and then paste. Well, no. Why not? Okay, I've copied that. Windows be like, okay, can I copy per? So let's assume I copy this. What is this? Okay, let me see if that's possible. What the hell is this? Image. Oh, that's not the image that Okay, that's very annoying. Uh. Oh, this is also not the correct one. Okay, I'm happy that it's not the correct one. Let me see what this is. Give me a second, guys. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we are going to open my VS Code. Not this one. Let me see. Open recent. And Ninja. Nav. More. Let me see. Says funnel. It says funnel. Okay. Okay, letting it load for a second. This actually should be more closer, but we'll see about that. It's not important. That's oh, I love it. Okay, this is what we have, and I wanna make it a bit smaller. All right, and I want to invite. Let me actually get my charger because my battery is almost dry. Alright, give me a second, guys. Charger. Good. Alright, get the charger here. Um, what happened? Oh, my screen just went off. I'm not sure why. Okay. Um, alright. So let me put it like this. Okay. Um, so what I want to do, I want to make it into responsive mode, and I'm gonna say 1440. 1440. Okay, I'm gonna put 75% of my screen, maybe. Oh, that's very interesting. So after, okay. So let's have that. Alright, so let's have that. Okay, and then and then okay. Um, so that's basically what we have right now, right? This is what we have. It's not a lot, right? But this is what we have. Now, I made a lot of stuff. Let me see. Untitled. Yeah, this is. Oh, bro. How am I gonna do this? Share link. Create a link to this whiteboard, which can be shared. Okay, share link. Copy link. Let's assume I'm copying link and I'm giving myself this link. What will happen? View in the web. Oh, that's very nice. Logging you in. Oh, bro. Let's do the Mozilla one. Okay, give me a second. Um, View in the web. I'm logged in. Why am I not logged in? Because I am. Terrible. Um, Alright. So we have an issue. The issue is that we have the template, we have the those kinds of stuff, but we also have this template here, which I need to read, um, and I need to think about how I'm gonna implement this into an actual flow. But the thing is, it's across three whiteboards. which is annoying because I cannot open Excel whiteboard. Can I maybe open it in just like, okay. Oh, I can export? Okay, as a PDF. Okay, let's see how that looks like. Right? So that's not a judge. Okay, not bad. Then I can open it on the side. Okay, not bad. Okay. Now, then we're gonna open the second whiteboard, which is also very important, which is this one. Alright. This one? Okay, so I want to export it as also funnel. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's see how that looks. Okay, and can I like zoom in for, oh, okay, okay, the quality is there. Okay. I was already worried. Okay. 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 So we have that. We can close off the application. So this is what we have. And we have a sales funnel. And I have the sales funnel here. But we have to think about um, okay, give me a second. Let's see what we have. Okay, so we have Figma. Okay, this doesn't sound too good. We could say um, okay. Let me see. But get road. Um, okay. Now I'm thinking about the copywriting of this. Let's actually edit that now so we don't have to think about it later. So we're gonna scratch this. So we're gonna create this one we're gonna make it white, actually. Okay, and we are going to say so this is going to be the name, right? So let me okay, yeah. I have to think about how I'm gonna name this. So what do they do here? So let's see. Okay, you need a powerful website. Okay. Um, Launch a professional. Okay. Okay. Launch sure. Okay, I could say um, okay. I'm gonna say I'm not seeing my text. It's white. Why is it white? It's annoying. Ship your website in hours, not days. Something like ship your website in 24 hours, not weeks. Something like that. And let's uh let's make it uh how it looks now is not as important, but I'm just gonna do something like that. And let me check my notes, what I made. Ship your maybe I shouldn't say your like now I'm struggling with the copywriting. In 24 hours. Hmm. Okay, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to cook for me. Cook for me uh this phrase for a good copywriting catch. Um, um, okay, I will give you more context. It is for agency and freelancers that want to ship a website, a, a elite high quality uh, website for their client. Website template for the client. Uh, okay, I got something. Um, use something like pop, pop, pop. Um, make it pop. Okay. Okay, I need to think about this for a second. Let me see. Um, Pop. It should be. It should be something like the clients want something that has this pop. Let's just make it pop mindset, and that you can ship this template within 24 hours. Let me see. Let me see. Mm, right. Um, okay, I think something like this. Okay, something like that. Something like this. Hmm. Uh, okay, so we have something, right? Turn make it pop. Uh, Turn make it pop real in 24 hours. Something like something like this. But real doesn't fit here. Do I need to use into? Uh, to make it pop. Turn make it pop live in 24 hours. Does that sound weird? Okay. Turn make it pop live 24 hours. Make it pop, make it live in 24 hours. From make it pop to live in 24 hours. Okay. So from make it pop to live in 24 hours. Okay, I can do something like that. Hmm. Okay, so this one from make it pop to live in 24 hours. Pop it, ship it. No. Uh, okay. Turn make it pop live in 24 hours. Turn make it pop into live in 24 hours. Make it pop live in 24 hours. From make it pop to live in 24 hours. Okay. Um, Okay, we have that, right? Um, okay, but does the other one use captions? Oh, god damn it. Let me see. What are they using? Okay, I could say you don't need a designer. Okay. Because that's the pain of most agencies, right? They need to design, right? Mm, okay. Okay. So I want something. Okay. I want to have a caption on number 5. Something with you do not need a developer. You do not need a something. Got it. Sorry, I meant to say you don't need a designer. Um, that does not really fit the context. Okay, let me give you an example. Let's assume this caption. You do not need a designer, developer. Headline. You need a powerful website. Yeah. No. You need to. Okay. I understand. This is the headline. This is the headline. Uh, mm, okay. It needs to sound right. Okay. They are like a couple. These pairs. Okay, so let's read that, right? So I want okay. Let me not focus on thinking ahead. Let's see what the results are. Okay. So what do we have? No designer needed. Just plug and play and go live. Launch like a pro. No designer required. From make it pop to live. Oh, okay. Uh, Assume that the caption comes first. Okay. These don't match. Maybe I should not do that. Ship, make it pop, make it pop. Ship, make it pop in 24 hours. And then some kind of rocket or something. Some chat GBT stuff. Uh, Ship, make it pop in 24 hours. Okay. Okay. So assume that we have that, right? Then let's see what we have here. Launch a stunning website that um launch a stunning website that look like you hired a top design agency. Okay. Create a short two sentence for this headline. Okay. Context. It is for this agent uh agencies, freelancers that want to ship my website templates, my elite high quality templates. Okay, so the problem with this is um, I need to speak the language of designers. Like, how would they define something that is high quality, right? So, like a stunning website, it doesn't mean anything. Um, um, Ship awards like websites and in just a fraction of the cost. Make it better. Give me 10 examples. Okay, I like that. I like that. So we can create some text, right? T, and then put here T. And why is it again white? I want to have black. Like I'm not doing anything. Let me do 20. Okay, go away. Let's make it smaller. Okay, I just wanna. Okay, okay, let's. This could be like 16 then. 16 and 24 hours. Uh, okay, don't play around too much. So let's do the natural way. Okay. Ship awards. Um, let's do um worthy, 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 winning, worthy. Um, are there other other words like worthy or winning? Yes. Um, awards, awards, tier, dance. It needs to start with awards. Okay. Level, worthy, winning, worthy, caliber, winning, level, approved, awards, quality. Okay, so let me see. Quality, caliber, show stopping, premium, standout, caliber, state of the art. Okay, so we have winning, we have worthy. Mm, Make it pop. Um, Awards. Hmm. Wow, this is hard. How do people do this as a job? That's crazy. You should be talented for this. Oh, deliver, ship. No. Awards worthy website in 24 hours. No designer needed. No designer needed. Just results at a fraction of the cost. Words. Uh, mm, okay. Awards like websites in 24 hours. No designer needed. Just results at a fraction of the cost. Okay. I will stick to this. Okay. I have to put in a comment here. Let me see where I can do that. Okay, so we have that, and we put in a comment for the UX UI designer. Okay, so I just want to, okay. Mm, okay, now that we know that, okay. Mm, okay, so he is not using UI UX here, so I don't need to do that. Okay, let's check what we have here. Okay, so what we're gonna do, mm, okay. Okay, the next part, what we need to work on, I need to check what we have here. So, I'm checking on the sides. Okay. Mm, okay, I already have a caption. Okay, I have this. So, I should say here, and let's do that. I should say like start free. do I really want that? Okay, so what I should do, I should say like free. Okay, I should make this smaller. Can I go smaller? I can, right? Medium? Okay. Okay, so that's what we have. Now, the next thing what we need to focus on is actually features, right? Hmm. So I want something. Let me think. So what I like about this is what kind of features, right? Like, um, okay. So what I need like a caption, and this caption is going to be, what is this? Oh, cool. Um, so what I'm looking for, let me see. I need a good CTA caption for an advertorial, aka sales funnel for these texts. You've got the product, you've got the vision, you've got the vision, but the design, website design, that's where things fall apart. Um, no, it needs to be, okay, no, it needs to be catchy, salesy. It needs to reason why it is a headline, not a CTA. Okay, okay. I don't know, like whatever. Not okay. Make rectangle. Can I make it frame? Ah, fuck. Okay, if I hide this, too bad. Okay. Okay, can I make it a frame? Flatten? Flatten? No. Frame selection. Fucking me. Okay. Okay, good. Uh, template. Okay, so this is not. I don't want to make it clear white. I want to make it like white smoke. What is the white smoke hex for CSX? F5, F5, F5. Okay. So let's do this. Let's fill and we say F5, F5, F5. Okay? Nah, that's not white smoke. Come on now, bro. White smoke. Really? Is that white smoke? Nah. Nah, bro. Is this really white smoke? Nah. Let's do FB, FB, FB. Right? That is my signature now. FB, FB, FB. FB, FB, FB. Okay? Maybe even higher, but we'll see. Alright. So we have this template, right? And let's make it actually just 1,000 high. 1,000. Or like even, yeah, let's say 900. Okay. Okay, so I wanna say something like No, I meant a caption for this. Okay, very annoying. I had something in my mind, but I forgot. Um, I want something. I want something like the problem no one talks about, but then something with make it pop problem, and then you have this after. Give like 20 examples. Um, how how about the make it pop effect is trying to hold you back something. It's your web design is the make it pop designs for a clients holding you back. Uh, Give me 20 more. Don't let uh don't let the make it pop effect from designers hold you back. Is the make it pop trend making your website how to make it pop designs? Um, the context should be that agencies and small business or freelancers are dreading this effect from UI UX designers that constantly show their make it pop designs, but they are not real. And this template that is make it pop and awards winning is real. So based on that context, redefine the redefine the phrases. Make it pop. Uh, okay, but it needs to be aligned with these phrase. Need to align with these options because it is an advertorial. Okay. Why? Because clients also go online and are biased because of these poppy trends on social media, and this developers and agencies and freelancers are dreading this because of their time and money. What are you doing? No, it needs to be the headline of those options. Skip the fuck. Are you an agency? Agencies and freelancers are oh fuck me. Okay. Oh, Uh, it's hard. Um, you've got a product, you got a vision, but a website. Problem that no one talks about. Design and trap. Discuss some brainstorm. Okay, let's not focus on too much. Okay. um, Don't get lost. Are lost. Um, okay, agencies and freelancers are lost. Designers trap. Are stuck in the make it pop trap. Here's why. I like this one. Make it pop trap. It needs to be phrased like this. Okay. Stuck. Got one phrase, not two. These are two phrases. Stuck in a make it pop trap. Here's why. No, I don't want to say here's the truth. Here's the truth. It's always like you have been lying before the truth, and that's bad. That's my they're not stuck in a make it pop trap necessarily. Here's why. Okay. So what the hell is this? I just wanted to here's why. Okay. Stuck. If you got a product, that's where things fall apart. Here's why. You got the product, you got a vision, but the website, that's where things fall apart. You're not alone. You're not alone. Thousands of founders of create to get it right with So, okay. So, this is because designers on social media flex on you with their poppy designs. With their poppy designs. You're not alone. You're not alone. That's always doesn't get it right. So why? This is because let's fix that. Let's fix that. Okay. Then I have something like okay, let's fix that. Stuck in a make a pop trap? Here's why. You got a product, you got the vision, but the website does what things well. You're not alone. Dozens find us developers, overcoming builders, loaded teams, off price, DIYs and design credibility. This is because designers with the poppy designs and clients see this too. And clients see this too. And clients see this too. Eh, clients see this too. Okay, so okay. And then maybe pop trap, here's why. Okay. Let's fix that. Let's fix that. And then I have like the about, right? Okay. So now that we have this, okay. Mm, okay. You've all felt this before. Okay. Let me no, not do that. And let's do something like this. Can imagine I'm showing you guys this, but you know, no one's on stream, so who's gonna see, right? This is where things fall apart. I've been there. And this is how the thinking process goes. Uh, can I copy this? Okay. You shouldn't feel this way. Now, I need to think about how I'm going to translate this, right? Let's fix that. Let's fix that. And then I want to have something like this. Let's fix that. So the requirements here should be, what the hell is this? Meet your fig pal. Nah, I'm good. Okay, so I don't want to have a spotlight. Give me a second. I'm gonna share this. Let me see how I can share this. So if I go here, spotlight me. No, what the hell is that? Share. Uh, Copy, share, open file browser, plugins, help, preferences. So where would this be? Uh, so it's not really clear where I can share. File, yeah, I can export, file edit, help an account, preferences, plugin widgets, arrange. Can put in help and resources, export. It should be here. What is this? Um, no. Oh, I hate this is the problem with new UI. UI. Share Figma design. I have to actually look it up as I don't know where to find it. Share. I don't see that. Oh, I see it. Never mind. Is a oh, okay, yeah. So let's do. Okay, let me log in into my Outlook. Uh, hey Chris, here is the Figma design link. I already put in some comments. I already put in some comments. This is what I have so far. I would be delighted if you maybe check this once or twice a week. I will also send you this on iMessage. Okay. 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 Great. So we had to send an email, but yeah, this is what we have right now. Stuck in a make a pop trap. Here's why. You got the product, you got the vision, but the website, that's where things apart. And this is how the feeling process goes. This is how it feels. Feeling process goes. This is, and this is the feeling cycle. I'm not a designer, but I don't want my site to look like a high school project. I spend weeks just trying to make my homepage not look embarrassing. Clients love what I do, but website to reflect that. I tried to do it where tried to make a website with AI, but it is just meh. Yeah, you're not alone. Thousands of founders, developers, and creators are starting research get it right with overcomplicated builders, bloated teams, overpriced freelancers, or roles DIY designed to sabotage their credibility. This is because the sites of social media flexing on the popular designs, and clients see this too. Let's fix that. Okay, it's this is not bad. Uh, and not to mention the okay. 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 That is it for me. Yeah, I'm done. See you guys later.